Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get golden acorns in Pokémon Café Remix. The most fundamental way to earn acorns is by successfully completing customer orders in your cafe. Each completed order typically rewards you with 50 golden acorns. Furthermore, if you manage to finish an order with moves left over, you'll receive an additional 5 golden acorns for each unused move. Focusing on efficiency and easier, earlier levels can help you build a solid reserve of this valuable currency. Beyond regular orders, consistent play offers more ways to earn. Make sure to log into the game every day to claim your daily bonuses, which frequently include bundles of golden acorns. Additionally, once you reach about order number 10, you'll unlock cafe challenges. These challenge cards present 3 tasks to complete, and finishing an entire card grants you a substantial amount of golden acorns, sometimes thousands. These challenges refresh, providing ongoing chances for free acorns. Special events and community milestones are fantastic opportunities for large golden acorn payouts. The game frequently hosts limited-time events that offer unique rewards, often including thousands of acorns. When the game celebrates download milestones, such as 12 million downloads, players can receive tens of thousands of golden acorns over several days. Occasionally, developers also release surveys where providing feedback can net you around 3,000 golden acorns for your time. If you need a quick boost, golden acorns are available for purchase with real money, with various pack sizes ranging from about $1 for 1,200 acorns to $20 for 24,400. However, it's wise to spend them strategically. Focus on using acorns for critical game progression, such as unlocking Pokémon level limits. Try to save them by avoiding purchases for items or stamina, as these can often be acquired through regular gameplay or by simply waiting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.